Hello Hacienda La Puente, this is Ricardo, one of your Tech Tosas, and today we are going to talk about the mobile app for Google Drive. It is an incredible app that allows you to be very efficient in the classroom. And let me show you how it works. I am actually mirroring my phone right now to my computer so you can see it. So the first thing that you will do is you have to download the app. So I'm going to go to my app store and look for Google Drive. Now, if you have a Apple device, you will do the same thing. I already have it installed, so I just wanted to show you that that's how you will get it. I'm going to open it, and you will notice that I actually have my complete drive from HOP USD on my phone. You can also have your personal drive if you wanted to, and I'll show you that right now. Or any amount of drives if you wanted to, but I'm going to concentrate on our HOP USD today. So let's say that I took a picture that I really want to use in my class, or maybe a document, a PDF or anything like that I have on my phone, or that I came across that document when I was looking at my phone. So I'm just going to take this picture right here, okay, and I really want to use it for work. So I can go ahead and share that picture. And you will notice that it's going to open and give me a lot of options. Now, this might look a little different from your point of view if you are using a iOS device, but it is the same concept. So I'm going to look for my drive. It's right here. I can save to drive if I want to. I have options because I use it all the time. I'm going to save it to a specific folder, okay? That it was a picture folder. So it's going to go automatically there. But if I wanted to be specific, I could go here. I could go save to drive, and it's going to ask me where I want to put it, okay? Once I go in there, I can change the name of the file to find it easily. I'm just going to call it Tony Ray. That's my daughter. I know I'm going to the HOP USD folder right here, and I'm going to go to pictures, okay? I can select anything I want, but I want to put it on pictures today, okay? So I'm just going to put it there, and I'm going to select, okay? And I'm going to say save. And if you notice, if I go to my drive, and I'm just going to go away from the phone for a second. I'm going to go to my drive. I'm going to look for that folder, that was called pictures. Just really quick. Give me a second. Oh, I don't even have to look for it. Look, the file, it's right there. So it is a great tool to have. Having your drive on your mobile device allows you to do a lot of different things. And if you have any questions on how to do this, please contact any of your Tech Tosas. Thank you.